So in the next scenario, what we're going to replicate is there is gas flow coming in. We've measured it at this point, and we've put our initial test point, and we've recognised that in fact there is gas flow going to there. However, the burner is still not going to ignite.
Exactly. This is the next step. So it could be that you measure more than 55 millibars. If that's the case, then also the gas valve won't let the gas pass because the pressure is too high. That can happen, for example, in restaurants and hotels. Mm-hmm. Sometimes they have like 100 millibars and you need to put a reducer on it.
A reducer on it, so that's something a certified plumber will have to do?
Yeah, exactly. So that could be the cause of your problem, that the gas valve is not passing the gas. Mm-hmm. The other thing is that it could be that there is still like the air in the gas pipe, so that you forgot to purge, so that you can solve by unscrewing the screw again and like 2 times until you smell the gas.
Yes.
Yeah. To close it again. And if by purging and having gas here still there is no gas entering in the burner, then it could be that your gas valve is faulty. Mm-hmm. So I will measure the resistance of the coils.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah. For this I remove the little connector. So I push it back so you can see it again. Push to the side and then take it off. Okay. You see 4 little pins, and you see, when you look very close, 4 numbers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 on this side and 4 on this side.
Okay.
What we do now is we will measure resistance. So on the 5-minute method, it's indicated that between contact 1 and 3, I should have like 23 ohm of resistance, and between 2 and 4, I should have 66 ohm of resistance.
Okay, so now you're going to put those coils, prods to this now, and that's your 1 to 4 basically.
Yes. Yeah. So now I'm going to do the 1 and the 3, 1 and 3, and you see on my multimeter after 1 or 2 seconds, you see that it's 23 ohm appearing. So I know that this coil is working fine. So a tolerance of 2 or 3 ohm is acceptable. Then I'm going to measure also the second coil, 2 and 4. So also I have to wait like 1 or 2 seconds, and then I see on the multimeter that 66 is appearing. So if you can show it on the multimeter, yeah, 66. And on your paper it's also indicated. So you have a tolerance of 2 ohm.
We saw both those.
Yeah. Why 2 coils? One coil is for opening and closing, and the other coil is for the different positions of the flames. So it is like opening a bit when you have position 1 where the flames are the lowest, and it's opening a lot when you put your fire on position 8 where the flames are the highest. If you measure 0 or 1 on 1 resistance, then it means that your gas valve is faulty and you have to replace it. If you measure the correct resistance and still no gas is entering, then it could be that your receiver is faulty, so your receiver doesn't give the right command to the gas valve. A third thing is that when it's a holiday house, so the fire is not used very often, it could also be that it's humid and that the valve got stuck a bit. So this would solve it by just using a screwdriver, not using the metal part, but the plastic part or the wood part, and then knock on it, and that also could do the job.
A few brands, as a quick little fix. Yep.
Yeah. So that are the things that we have to check when there is no gas entering your fireplace.
Thank you.